Hey guys, what's up? So today we are on one of Mason's 2022 C2s. So they got 9 new buses this year, 2 of which happen to be numbered 3 and 15, just like our C2s. Their 16 is also a C2. I did a video tour of 16 last year when it was brand new. So pretty much on the inside, these C2s look almost identical to ours. Floor, seat color, everything looks pretty much the same. The outside, there are a few differences, so we'll go ahead and look at that. But here's the driver's area. So these were also numbered at the dealer, I do believe. So 15. Also no Thomas Built Buses logo near the door. So one thing, there are technically fender mounted signals here. We've got these signals versus the signals that we have. Now you'll notice on the older ones have it too. I didn't even notice that. So that's a different type of turn signal. We have the actual mounted one, like that. So that's pretty cool. They also got these style mirrors on their C2s, which I am kind of a fan of that. We just have that style. So there's the front of the bus. Then they also put the number where it should be on a C2. Stop sign. They don't have the box for tire chains. These buses, let me see, 3, 6, 9. No, they're the same size as ours. It looked like it was a little bit longer. You can see here where they've had to cut down the mud flaps with how much they actually hang. And then on the back here, there's the back of the bus. Got your tailpipe sticking out there. Thomas Built Buses, 15. So 3 and 15 both replaced All-Americans. There's 16. So yeah, here's the other side where the mud flaps are. Look at those brand new tires. Doesn't that look nice? So we'll go back in for a second. So, yeah, this is the new 15 for them. It's a 2022, like I said. I'll go ahead, when I get to one of the new buses with underbody storage, I will add on a little clip to this. Alright, so here's one of the buses with underbody storage. You can see here that it's got 2 boxes here. I think ours only have 1 on the passenger side. And then on the driver's side, it also has 2. Ours only have 1 on the driver's side for sure, because our C2s have the little box here for chains. So it's got 2. It makes it seem, at least to me, it makes the bus seem longer, even though these are the same body size as ours. So yeah, I just wanted to include the underbody storage C2. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah.